Alright guys, so this is the final look of the car. It's looking pretty clean. We're gonna clean up that headlight right there, but this is the price breakdown everybody has been asking for, so get into it.
All right, so what's up, everybody from TikTok and everywhere that kind of hating that I didn't say the price. This is why I didn't say the price, and I'm gonna explain it right now. So when we bought the car, like I said, we bought it from the junkyard. So the price of the car, the bid was 7.7K. If you want to zoom into all the details right here. So the off the lot price for the car was 7.7K. After that, we put in work of a total of like 6K. So now this is what we've spent that 6K on. So the first was the tow. We had the key made because the car didn't have the key. Then it was the tire head cracks, whatever. Then it was a starter. The car was starting, as you saw in the video. Then the ball joint alignment issue. Then there was an AC unit that needed a repair. 3 tires we changed on the car, the brand new tires.
Detailing.
The detailing that we posted the video, and the machine that we bought, the Bissell, whatever. We changed the horn.
We put a cold air intake. We changed the horn. What else is there? The wrap we did, if you guys saw, this is now all blacked out. It's looking pretty clean. We tinted the tail lights. We painted the rims. So all these little details that goes into it, like on that paper, but all over, all together, and from off the lot price to 7.7, and on top of that we spent about 6K, so the car comes out to like 13,000 like 500, so
something like that. You guys remember how it looked before when we posted the first video? It was shitty as hell. Now it's cleaned up everything. Yeah, it's like a brand new car.
Yeah.
This one too, we put this one on.
Yep.
This was, how much was it?
Like 200.
Yeah, 200 for just I think for just these, and then we put it
but we got a good deal.
down.
We got the whole thing.
Oh, for 200?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So if the next owner wants to put anything, you don't gotta worry about that. It's already mounted. A lot of work went into this car, like from time to money.
Exactly,
and if you want to see the numbers for the money, it would be like 13.5. But
if you want to see the numbers
for the labor and the time,
then
then
that we put in, there are no numbers on that.